To be able to speak Greek, you actually need to start speaking Greek. Γεια σου, είμαι η Alexandra and I'm here to help you feel comfortable speaking Greek in real situations. Many people who begin learning Greek often say things like, I've been learning for years, but I still can't speak, or Greek speaks so fast, I can't keep up, or even, I try to speak Greek, but I just don't remember the words. Does this sound familiar? If so, I'm here to show you that the solution is simpler than you might think. Consistent practice in a supportive environment. In Do You Speak Greek, I created a fun and interactive environment where you can practice Greek through engaging and real conversations. My programs help you naturally pick up the vocabulary and the grammar you need to communicate effectively without the boredom of outdated textbooks. Greek language is so much more than words and grammar rules. It's about connections, laughter, memories, and moments of joy, and you will experience all of that in my programs. Our method is all about surrounding yourself with Greek so it becomes a part of your everyday life. By immersing yourself in the language, hearing it, speaking it, and using it daily, you will find that Greek starts to feel familiar and comfortable. Imagine yourself in Greece talking with locals, ordering your coffee in Greek, joining real conversations, and connected with people in their own language. You will feel the joy of being understood, sharing real moments, and experiencing the Greek culture. With real practice, Greek won't just be something you study, it will become a part of your life. I'm here to help you make Greek part of your life and to give you the confidence you need to speak freely. Let's make this journey together. Σε περιμένω!